Welcome to Craft today, and here we're going to create Conehead Zombie in Infinite Craft. First up, combine fire with water to get steam, then combine water and earth to create plant, which mixed with water creates swamp. We're also going to combine plant and steam to create tea, then combine earth and wind to get dust, which mixed with another dust element gets us sand. We're also going to combine dust and tea to create tea bag, then combine plant and sand to create cactus, which mixed with wind gets us tumbleweed. Combine that with swamp to create zombie, which mixed with tea bag gets us tea zombie. And for the final step, we're going to combine sand and tea zombie to get Conehead Zombie. That's how you create Conehead Zombie in Infinite Craft. Hope you like this video. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you in the next one, and subscribe to the channel for more Infinite Craft videos.